to the Senate the impeachment complaint, having been filed by more than one-third of the membership of the House, or a total of 215 members, is there any objection? The Chair hears none. The motion is approved. The Secretary General is so directed. The session is suspended.
Punta ka muna. Punta ka muna, tapos bababa. Punta muna ako. Sabi mo, invited ka, ma'am, doon?
Hindi kami invited, pero baka yung majority yon.
Oo, tapos?
What do you think will happen?
Impeachment ba yun? Ma'am, paano mo nalaman na merong caucus kung hindi po kayo invited?
Na dinig-dinig lang namin. Puntahan ko muna ako.
Paano niyo po nasabi na impeachment at permahan?
May nagsabing official.
An official has told you that there's a signature
Leader?
from the majority. Has told you that there's
sorry.
naka one
Can you
lang.
say it na kayo mismo? What is this meeting about? Anong narinig po ninyo?
Sabihin ko na mo.
Kayo po. Ano po yung narinig niyo?
Well, parang naghahanda yata ang majority doon sa ipipresent mamaya about impeachment. So I have to verify pa nga kung ano yung impeachment complaint na yon. Is it 1, 2, or 3? Yan.
May narinig kayo? Or 4?
Or 4, tama.
But the official who told you, yes, he or she has signed the impeachment.
Hindi ko pa nakita.
May narinig kayo ilang bilang na po?
Well, we are in-expect daw na makukuha yung 1/3.
Which is?
103, pero nag-expect pa ng more than that.
Sara Duterte has been impeached by the House of Representatives. First time in history na ang Vice President ay mai-impeach. Ito ay makasaysayang araw para sa pananagutan sa korupsyon. Pakinggan na muna natin Congressman Nery Colmenares at long reaction sa impeachment ni Sara.
At this juncture, Mr. President, I move that we adjourn the session until 3 o'clock in the afternoon of Monday, June 2, 2025. So move, Mr. President.
There is a motion. Win. Is there any objection? There being none, session is adjourned until 3 o'clock in the afternoon of Monday, June 2, 2025.
Thank you, Mr. President. Thank you to our staff and Senate employees. Mabuhay ang Senado.